Okay, next part, a little while later, this is turned sideways, just for resting sake. I'll turn the camera. I decided to kind of give it a highlight around the shoulder, upper arm there, left side of his face, which is on viewer's right, and did a little more kind of gestural in the hair area there, and around the side of his right cheek on viewer's left. All right, coming along. I'm going to rest. I'm going to do with dots in the hair and by his right eye here on viewer's left. And also, I'm going to finish the ear. All right, and then the big question is, what am I going to draw in between? I've actually, well, I'm going to wait on that. I was about to say what I'm thinking of doing, but let's wait. All right.